too. I need to go to the hospital. And they just scooped me up. Actually just took me in. Let's go.
This is what we do as the National Guard, but it's one of those things where you hope you don't have to do this, although it's what we sign up to and it's our job.
You feel a little touched by this all. You know, you got to remember people have lost all their personal belongings here. They lost their lives here, you know. Whole houses have been destroyed with all their personal belongings that they've worked hard for.
You go beyond the call of duty, according to me, what you've done. Under extraordinary circumstances with this horrible storm, you've really done a tremendous job.